Hey, what's up guys? It's Dollars here, back with another video, and today we are with episode 5 of the Book at Safari Box. Okay, we're just gonna get right into it. Safari Box, we have 1,001 coins. Hopefully, we're able to pull lie in this episode. Episode 5, come on. Chameleon to start it off. Let's go. That's 12 on the series. Not bad. Peacock right after. Okay, we're starting off hot. Elephant, okay. We kind of slowed down, but an elephant isn't bad. Elephant, okay, finally. Yeah, we really haven't been playing anything as flip. Elephant. We can really not pull anything other than elephants. We started off with the chameleon, and then not flamingo, peacock, and then we pulled like 3 elephants. Peacock, okay. I mean, we'll take it. It's not an elephant or an uncommon, so. Elephant, okay. Just give me lion, come on. Elephant is not a lion. Really pull nothing there. Selling time. We just made our coins go way down. Lost about 650. Exactly 650. Just give me line this time. It's not that difficult. Come on. Elephant. Cool. Another elephant. Cool. 10 left. Peacock. Peacock, one final one. Give me something good. That's a panda. That's not good. Selling time. The coins are just dropping. We only have 6 boxes left. Oh, this is not going well at all. We've only pulled 1 chameleon, no lion left, and this is episode 5. Come on, give me lion in this last stretch. Chameleon, we will take it. Okay, we have 5 more. First pull chameleon. Now the next pull is gonna be a lion, right? Panda. Final one. Tenric selling time. Oh, even less coins. We are guaranteed 1 after this, but we have 4. I won't slow any of this down. Come on, just give me something good. I wouldn't be mad if I just got 3 chameleons this episode, because 3 chameleons is honestly pretty good, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. Come on. Lemur? I think that's the first lemur of the box opening. I guess we'll take it, but it's not a lion. Zebra, okay. No selling time because I have barely anything to sell. Also got the lovely frog. Took 500 gems to buy that, so that's a 1-day delay. Sorry that I haven't been uploading as frequently the box openings as I would like to. We have 1 more, and we have to pull a rare better. Come on, it could be a lion, you know. Zebra? Really? That'll end today's video. If you guys did like, make sure to go down, like, and subscribe. I'll keep doing this series until I get the lion, which hopefully will be next episode, but who knows, because my luck is terrible. So if you guys want to see more Safari Box videos and are enjoying it, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!